All right. So as you start to wrap up this first portion of BeeQuest, one of the things I'd love for you to think about is getting to know the bees in your region and where you live. So you can see these awesome drawings of native bees of Ohio. And as you start to see them, I mean, there's all these different anatomical terms and details you can get into, but a lot of it is you just getting a search image and getting a sense of these bees in a way that connects for your mind. And drawing them is a really great way to start to have that settle in and really become something that it'll stick with you, and you'll be able to start to see differences and more unique things as you go. So drawings, getting to know the bees by observation. And the other thing is that you can really use iNaturalist to get to know the bees in your area. So if you go to iNaturalist.org and then go to Explore, and you can, in the species, if you just start to type out bees, you'll see it comes up Epifamily Anthophylla, which is perfect. You click that, and then you can put your location, right? So say you're in San Diego, and you'll see that location, and you can click that and then hit go. And it'll load with all the observations, 29,700 observations of bees in San Diego and 194 species. And if you just click on the species, you'll see the most common ones that are most commonly reported. So in this case, it's a western honeybee. That's not surprising, Apis mellifera, but you can see the other ones. Now, I will say this is biased towards species that are easy to photograph. And so it's not a full accurate portrayal of what species are the most common or most abundant per se. But it is a great starting point for getting to know the bees in your area. So, and if you click on any of these, you can actually also, there's sometimes some gorgeous images and sometimes some information about the species and references and such. So enjoy that.